Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about digital signage software, what kind of like tools exist right now in the market that you can use. So the first thing is Yodeck, so cloud-based drag and drop content creation for display screens, and you can have free layout templates, which is real-time updates. It uses Raspberry Pi for player, remote management, scheduling, and you can have like the free plan also that you can actually check it out, where you can have like the media here, the videos, audio. And now on the welcome, I can click here, add a screen, and you can like create a virtual web player, or you can connect your player. So I can click here, and then you can like have the registration code here, and just like simple to use and effective. Now, the next one is not like the Cirrus here. Cirrus, then where you're gonna have the digital signage solution. So that's like full ecosystem, outdoor displays, digital window, posters, media player, people counter, car tracker, just like a lot of things that you can use it for. Supports static images, works on Windows, Fire TV, Android, Google TV, just like a lot of usage that you can actually like use it for. And it's kind of like the LED display platform that you can actually use. So that's kind of like another one. Display Now is also interesting one, only because with the Display Now, you're gonna have a media communication platform for any network screen. Supports static images, video slides organized into playlist. Works on a Windows, Fire TV, Android, Google TV. And drag and drop studio, real-time analytics, and remote management. So what is great about it is that when you're gonna look here for the pricing, you're gonna have the free account that you can actually check it out for yourself, how it works. And then you're gonna have the pro version, and then you're gonna have also the business edge and enterprise. So what is great, you can try it out for free and see how it works. And that's for that. And then you're gonna have also easy signage. So with the easy signage, what you can actually expect, it's kind of like the Android TV compatible, simple setup, designed for managing multiple displays remotely, cost effective, good for co-living, marketing teams, and agent communication. So the digital easy signage is also interesting one, and maybe you would like it too. So yeah, and for that, you're gonna have the pricing here, where you're gonna have the free account, which is great too for you to actually test it out for yourself if you like it. Or then you can have the premium account, which is going to be like $10 per screen per month. And that's for the easy signage. Right? So thank you very much guys for watching. I wanted to make this like very quick and effective video for you, what you can actually like expect out of these tools, and maybe you're gonna like these tools. So have a great day guys, and goodbye.